Welcome to NextGen Mansions. Today, we explore stunning continent-wide mansions filled with grand kitchens, elegant staircases, lavish bedrooms, serene balconies, and every detail designed for pure perfection. We begin in Asia, where design merges centuries-old traditions with modern brilliance. Imagine walking into a palatial estate with intricate carved wooden panels, floor-to-ceiling glass walls opening to koi-filled water gardens, and a kitchen where marble islands glisten under soft golden lighting. The staircase here curves like a silk ribbon, lined with hand-painted railings, leading to bedrooms that feel like tranquil retreats above bustling cityscapes. Next, we travel to Europe, where elegance meets history. Picture a sprawling estate in the French countryside, its coffee lounge opening directly to manicured rose gardens. Chandeliers dangle above a grand spiral staircase, each crystal catching the afternoon sun. The bedrooms here have vaulted ceilings and antique furnishings, while the washrooms boast Italian marble, freestanding tubs, and gentle lighting that creates a spa-like serenity. And in North America, innovation is king. Here, glass-walled mansions seem to float above the ocean or sit perched on forested hills. Open-plan kitchens feature state-of-the-art appliances, while living rooms have panoramic windows revealing endless horizons. Balconies are perfect for evening wine, overlooking infinity pools that melt into the skyline. The staircases here are bold, floating steps in polished steel and oak, illuminated from below to create a futuristic yet warm effect. And over in South America, color and vibrance define the style. Picture a lush rainforest backdrop, with a mansion designed to blend seamlessly into nature. Kitchens are filled with bright tiles and artisanal touches, balconies draped in flowering vines, and living rooms that open fully to tropical breezes. Washrooms here feel alive, with indoor gardens, stone basins, and showers under skylights that let you bathe in the glow of natural sunlight. And in Africa, luxury often draws inspiration from the raw beauty of the landscape. Think sunlit mansions, where earthy tones meet contemporary minimalism. Kitchens open to wide terraces, bedrooms feature woven textures and large windows framing savannas or oceans, and staircases feel like sculptural art pieces. Outdoor spaces are just as detailed, with balconies that stretch into the wild horizon, perfect for stargazing under crystal-clear skies. And Australia offers sleek coastal perfection. Imagine a cliffside mansion, where every room opens to panoramic sea views. The kitchen is designed with glossy finishes and ocean-colored accents. The living spaces spill effortlessly onto wide decks, and balconies give you the feeling of floating above the waves. Here, staircases are made of glass and timber, catching the shifting light of day. From the sweeping sands of Africa, imagine a modern oasis mansion, rising from a lush private garden. Palm trees sway in the warm breeze, while crystalline pools flow like rivers through the courtyard, feeding into koi ponds that glisten under the afternoon sun. Interiors glow with handcrafted wood and gold accents, blending ancient artistry with cutting-edge design. In Europe, a grand coastal estate crowns a cliff, overlooking the deep sapphire sea. Its walls are adorned with ivy, wrapping around marble terraces where sunlight dances on the surface of infinity pools. Cobblestone pathways lead to glass-walled lounges, offering panoramic views that merge history, elegance, and contemporary comfort. Norden crossing to North America, the mansion sits atop a private hill, surrounded by acres of manicured gardens. Water features cascade down stone steps, feeding into reflection ponds, lined with exotic flowers. Inside, floor-to-ceiling windows frame vast skylines, while smart home luxuries make every room an effortless blend of sophistication and technology. In South America, a rainforest retreat is built seamlessly into the lush greenery, with vines draping over balcony railings and streams winding through the property. Open-air living rooms invite the sounds of nature inside, where polished wood floors and vibrant art pieces create a harmony of culture, color, and natural beauty.
Across the globe, the world's most magnificent mansion rise as monument of human imagination, where architecture meets artistry and culture breathes life into design. Imagine stepping into a realm where continents blend their finest treasures, Asia's harmony and intricate craftsmanship, Africa bold elegance rooted in nature, Europe timeless grandeur, North America futuristic opulence, South America vibrant warmth, Oceanic coastal paradise, and Antarctica icy crystalline wonder. Together, they weave a visual symphony that is nothing short of breathing. From the lush tropical courtyard of Asia, where koi ponds mirror the sky and carved wood tells stories centuries old, to the sweeping glass facades of North America reflecting city skyline and endless horizon, every detail speaks of ambition and mastery. Africa offers sprawling estates that merge seamlessly into the savannah, their infinity pools mirroring golden sunset, while Europe enchants with palatine corridors, intricate ceiling, and gardens captured to perfection. In the South America, color and culture dance in every room, hand-painted tiles, open-air staircase, rhythmic water features that create a living heartbeat within the walls. Oceania invites serenity with open-plan villas where ocean breeze flow through every corner, sunlight dances on marble floor and palm-lined horizon, greet you at dawn. Even Antarctica, the most unexpected of all, stands with its glass domes, sanctuaries, warm heavens in a land of snow, offering unparalleled views of shimmering glaciers and dancing auroras. Here, technology and tradition coexist beautifully. Smart home system control lighting, temperature, and security with a single gesture, while heritage materials and local artistry preserve each continent's soul. Vast mine cellars, rooftop helipads, indoor walls, and underwater lounge blur the line between reality and dream. Exotic gardens bloom beside infinity pools that seem to pour into the world's most spectacular backdrops. Each continent identity remains distant, yet together they create a tapestry of styles united not by similarity but by shared excellence. It is a journey without borders where one moment you are under European chandelier older than empires. The next you're floating in a African pool under a sky full of stars. This fusion is not merely architecture, it's celebration of the best our planet has to offer, crafted of those seek beauty without compromise. At NextGen Mansions, we don't just show houses, we reveal dreams captured into reality. Every week we explore the rarest, most breathtaking luxury properties from around the world, blending modern innovation, artistic design, and pure elegance. Whether you are the inspiration, admiration, or just to escape into a world of beauty, you are in the right place. If you enjoyed today's journey through the extra dimensions, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss a moment. Join our growing community of architecture lovers, design dreamers, and lifestyle enthusiasts. Share your thoughts in the comments. Tell us which mention captured you heard today and why your next dose of pure luxury is just one video. So today's this is our video.